Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and if you're into Huck's World. Today we got an awesome watch face for you all to check out that's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. This one is called Easy Watch. This one is by my man MWF, and this guy always, and I do repeat, always gets down and he's always donating freebies. So I gotta tip my hat off to this guy. Thank you for all the freebies, guy, you have donated thus far. All right, with that being said, let's check out this awesome casual dress down watch face. The name of it is called Easy Watch. In AOD mode, you are gonna get the same look, but I like the black theme mode. This guy put this one in. It looks really nice in that mode. Once the watch face is on, you get a nice traditional look. Kind of a sporty look as well. I like the look and the style of the analog hands. This is a casual watch face, and you get a unique second hand that's ticking around the bezel of the watch as well. Now, if you look right here, that's going to give you your date. Over here, where you can't see, that's going to give you your step info, and right here, that's going to give you your battery. Now, the watch face is interactive, right? So if I tap right here, I can pull up my calendar. I tap right here, I can go ahead and pull up my battery info. And of course right here, it's going to bring up my step status. So if I tap right here, I can set a favorite, which is cool. To make the watch face just that much more convenient, I can also do it here as well. The developer really got down on this watch face. But if you want to customize the color theme, because I believe everyone needs a white watch face in a lineup. But if you don't want one, just double tap and you can change the color theme of the watch face. I thought that was nice. You get like 9 in all, if I'm not mistaken. Not a bad deal. You got some nice colors that you can change this to color coordinate with whatever it is that you may have on for the day. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And also, please hit the notification bell because YouTube don't always send out the notifications. This way you can get notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. All right, you all, that's going to be it. I got to get out of here. Got to get some rest. I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.